faces here, and last but not the least, press. Mr. Bakshi has already made it clear to you, and the handout also has been given to you. We are we are ready for any questions that are coming from your side, so that your presentation, your publication in the press and media, and then this electronic media will be very good, because we are dependent on you. Like the mining industry, Mining Engineers Association of India, a professional organization which has about 24 chapters in the country, over 5,000 members. MEA is a bridge between the government and the industry. So the industry is in problem now because of some inaction from the government, and too much action from the Supreme Court. So because of this, now MEA has come to play this role of bridge between the industry and the government. So likewise, MEA requests the media and the press so that you communicate the situation we are placed in, and our voice, our predicament to the public at large. Why I am telling public at large? Minerals are very much required for the day-to-day life of the human being. Can you imagine if steel and cement is not there? Your life just cannot survive. So that is the stage. Minerals are so important. When they are important, they are location specific. Mr. Bakshi said India has 2% land mass. You know how much mining area in that 2% land mass? It is 0.00001. So that is though insignificant in area, but it is playing a vital role in meeting the needs of the human beings. So such is the importance of the minerals. But we are in problem now, because it may be for Goa or Orissa for a specific mineral like iron ore. But this, if not acted upon immediately by making our voice heard in the government, in the public, with the judiciary, everywhere, because for anybody the voice is the media. So we request the media, the press, to be placing our voice more in a bigger way to reach to the concerned people, and the details are already there in handouts, and I have explained already the need of the minerals to the mankind and generations to come. Even our children, grandchildren, all the people are dependent in these small minerals in the so-called mass, which is very, very less compared to our Indian population, which he has already explained. So this predicament has to be settled. It is happened mostly by inaction at all levels, and more particularly at the government level. They are sitting on the applications filed in time but not disposing them, and the Supreme Court has acted upon and put straight away the ban for mining. So ban for mining has shown, I don't know, you must have read in the newspapers, Goa, a small state, dependent totally, if not solely, wholly, majority of the Goa community is dependent on two things. One is iron ore mining, second is tourism. You know that? And mining, today it is banned. Lakhs of people, they have lost their livelihood. They don't know where to go. Trucks derailed. The human beings, no work, no pay. So where do they go? They cannot just like that overnight create employment or have other avenues just like that next morning. They are told that your mining is stopped. So mining, the entrepreneurs say, mining is stopped, so you have no work here. Please lay off. So all these things are very badly affected. Likewise in Goa. Our predicament is we are apprehending this danger may be spreading throughout the country. Unless you put a stop right now. So in that direction we are seeking your help. I request you to kindly throw all your weight in bringing out this big news, making it known louder and wider throughout the country to all the people concerned, so that they are awakened. Oh, Mining Engineering Association of India, which is the organization for the industry, has told what are the ills of such ban, abrupt ban in the country, making, you yourself have reported in the press, sand is not available in Hyderabad. The prices skyrocketed. You remember? So you have said, so sand is a mineral. It is stopped. Government stopped not to give mining leases for sand. Likewise, suppose tomorrow, if they say all cement plants are stopped because of limestone. Likewise, we are apprehending. Today it has happened to iron ore. It may happen to minerals, other minerals. It may happen to other states. There we seek your help. So you please, tomorrow morning itself, we should see in all your papers and media and the electronic media, our wide and bigger voice be projected much bigger to all the people who are concerned with, who can deliver goods immediately. Unless it is acted upon immediately, we are going to perish further. So thank you very much. I request you all to project us properly. Thank you very much.